we have completed our this top section and this login with the Google. Let me show you one here. When I just click on the sign in, see, login with Google will be done. And now in this video we make the our sidebar. Let me just open the YouTube. And today we make the our this sidebar. Yeah, this one. Here I was not added the every. Don't worry, I will not add all this menu. I will add a home, like subscription, shorts, or library history. We pick up approximately 2 to 3 of, not all. After that, first of all, I will go on the my VS Code editor. And here, first of all, in the previous video I was install the React Router DOM. Let me just set up this. Here I will go index.jsx, and here I will first of all here create const. Let me just give the const router, and here I will use the create. Why these are happening? Create browser router. Okay, it will be not giving. Instead of like that, let me just import first. Import create browser router from React router DOM, like that. And yeah, and after that here I will give the create. Why these are happening? Create routes from the children, and I was given this browser router. Yeah, it will be perfect. And after that I will import route. Yeah, this part is done. And here I will create const router, and here I will give the create browser router, and inside this I will give the create routes from the elements, and inside this I will use the routes. Let me just give the routes, and after that here I will give the path. By default I will give the like that, and here I will just pass a one component, this app. Here I will give the element, and here I will pass by default app component. Yeah, and here I will just change here, remove this router provider, which is coming from the React router DOM, and here I will pass props router. Inside this I will pass this router which I was created, this one. And here I will, let me just close this self closing, and let me just check these are running. Okay, everything is perfectly running. Here I want to make first of all, here I will create one folder. Name will be the pages. Let me just close. In the src folder, here I will give pages, and inside this first of all I will create a home.jsx, and second one will be the like let me just see this sorts. Let me just give the here sorts.jsx, and after that I will create this subscription. Here I will give the subscriptions.jsx. After that I want to add like that likes, and here I will give the likes.jsx, and after that I will add history, like that. Here I will give the history.jsx, and yeah, I think that much okay. And we need add little bit more about subscriber, like that. Subscriber we will add in the sidebar, and explore more instance, we add one more page. uh, we will add, first of all we create our routes, all this route, and after that we add when we making. Now first of all I want to go on the here main dot jsx. Here see I was set only the simple route. Here I will create different routes, like first of all route path. By default this will be the empty, and here I will give the element will be the home page. By default display the home. Here I will home. Okay, I was not given here. Let me just do this. Go on the all these pages I want to give the functional component, RAFCE. This is a shortcut which I was installed in the previous video. You can see this, and here I will give the RAFCE functional component, and the shorts were also, and the subscription also, like that. Here I will give the, yeah, now see this part is done. After that again I will go here. Here I will give the curly bracket, and inside this I will give the home, and here see here giving me the suggestion. Here click automatically in the top section you can see this home component is exported, and here I will close this, and here I will give the self closing these routes. And second route I will create second routes will be like likes, and here I will give the elements, and here I will give the like page. Now third will be the path, and it will be the like here I will give the history, and here I will give the elements, here I will give the history, and this page I will import it. Here I will close this, and next will be the path. I will give the like a source, and after that here I will give the element. Here I want to give shorts. Yeah, now this will be done, and last one will be the subscription. Let me add this subscription, and why this are happening. Okay, here I was not close this, and click here, and here I give the elements, and here I will give the subscription, like this. I was created all this route, and let me just go here, and here I will check likes. Okay, I was not sure where all this route will be displayed. For that I will go on the app.jsx, and here below this header I will create one tag main, and I will close this main tag, and inside this main tag I will give the one of the outlet, one second, outlet which is provided from the React router DOM to display the routes. For that, now let me just see here, display the like, and here I will give the subscription, and see the subscription page is open, and next one I was given history. Okay, see history, and next one will be the, I think like I was check, and let me just check shorts. Yeah, now see this page are displaying. Now I want to display all this here. Here I want to add the sidebar. For that, here I will go, and here I will close this page folder, and go on the component. Here I will create one file. Name will be the sidebar.jsx, and this is a functional component I was created here. And this sidebar.jsx, I will import this in the app.js, and here about this I will give the sidebar like this, and here I will just import this. Now see here, this top section display the sidebar, and this sort will be display here, and here I will give the class name main. Just copy this class name. After that I will go on the here app.css, and here I will add this main class name. First of all I will give the display flags, or instead of using the display flags we can use the one more things, display grid, and after that I will give the grid template column. It will be the approximately 200 pixel, after that 1 fr by default. Now let me just check. See here display the sidebar, and here in between this sidebar width will be the 200. Here I will give the approximately 210. Yeah, 210, and in between the, if I want to give the gap then also it will be done, but here I will not give. Yeah, this part will be done, and this sidebar here, okay, this will be displaying. And here I will give the one more section, background color red, for checking how much height will be covered. See here not covering the all this height. For the covering the height, here I will give the minimum, here I will give the minimum height will be calculation 100 vh minus, and this will be the approximately, I think I will to give my this top height, approximately top height will be 70 pixel, and in between them I will give the little bit space. And now check, okay, 70 is little bit less, I will give the 72, 73, 68, little bit less, 65. Yeah, 65, I think. When I was go on the big screen, let me just click 60, let me just give the little one less, 64. Now check, okay, it will going 65 is perfect in the desktop version, and when I was go on the mobile version, let me just check. Here in the mobile version it will be look like this, but a mobile version I don't want to display this sidebar. For instead like that I will just create a media query, and here I will give the all, and minimum width will be 900 pixel, and let me just here I will go, here I will give the display, first of all I will copy this part, and here I will paste inside this, and here I will just remove this one, and in this like that it will be display here. In the mobile version it will be like that, and in the desktop version it will be like that. Yeah, now it will be done. And here this sidebar, let me just design our sidebar. Here I will create one css file, this sidebar.css, and this css file I will import in the sidebar.jsx. In the top section here I will import sidebar.css, and here first of all I will give, here I will give the class name sidebar container, like that I was given. And inside this, here you can see, let me just remove the background color white, this color, go on the app.css, and here I will just comment, and here I will this one. Okay, now after that again I will go on the sidebar.css, First of all, I want to copy this class name. Copy this class name and come in the sidebar.css. Here I will paste this, and here I will give the first of all background color. Right now checking. See, it will be covering, and here I think little bit. Let me just go on the big screen. Yeah, it will be no problem. I think here I want to give app dot. Let me just give the 64, then checking. Okay, here I want not, here I will give 64. Okay, 65 is perfect. Here little bit space is coming, that's why. And inside I think I want to little bit increase this width. For that, here I will give the 230. Yeah, 230 is proper, and a little bit more, 240. Yeah, 240 is perfect now. Yeah, now after that, let me just delete this background, and here I will delete this. Yeah, and inside sidebar, where is sidebar? Here I want to add, let me just add now, and inside this I will give the unordered list, and here I will use the link tag. Now link tag for the active also I want to display this, that's why it now link tag coming from the React router DOM. Why I was using this now link tag, because when this link will be active now, then the this link now link tag one in the class coming the active, for the designing purpose we use this, that's why I was using this. And here I will give the first will be the I will give the 2, and this will be the empty, because this is a home page, and here I will give the home. Now let me just check. When I just click here, see, it will go on the home page, and yeah, it will be done. And after that, here I want to add one more things, which will be the our icons. For that I will use the React icons. For that, let me just go on the website React icons, and here I will search home, and I will use the icon name will be like we can use simple, not much more, because exactly same icon is not possible to grab in this. Here we can use this simple icon AI outline. Just copy this, and after that, here first of all I want to give the my icon. For that, here I will give the div class name, and here I will give the class name icon, and inside this I will paste this my icon. And also make sure that you want to also import this icon. For that, here I will go import AI outline home from React icon slash from AI library. Now let me just check. Yeah, here home icon is display. And for designing purpose, let me just go on the here sidebar.js. Here I will go sidebar inside this now, and we have an anchor tag. Here I will give the color. First of all, I will give the color will be inherit, like that I was given, and after that I will give the font size. It will be the approximately for the icon. Let me for the icon I will go here and give the sidebar dot now, and a tag anchor tag. Inside this we have a icons class, and here I will give the font size will be the approximately 30 pixel, not a 30, 22 pixel. And let me just check, let me refresh this. Why these are not happening? I was given the icon. Yeah, I was given the icon. and little bit I think more I want to give 30, 23, 25. Yeah, 25 is perfect. And after this, let me just come here. After this I want to display the one more text. Here I will use the span tag. Here I will give the, or I will use div class name. I will give the title like that, and here I will give the home. Now see, home will display like here, and yeah, this part will be done. And after that I will go sidebar.js. Here I will give the in the anchor tag test decoration none. For removing this underline, that's why I was given. And here I will give the display flags like that I was given, or instead of giving this I will use the grid, and here I will give the grid template column. It will be the like first will be the approximately 40 pixel, and in between the gap I will give the 10 pixel, and after that 1 fr, and in between gap instead of giving like that I will use. And after that I want to make this center. For that we will give the justify content will be center, and why this alignment item will be center. Yeah, like this both content will be center. And I want to make this icon is coming in the center, which I was not given. For that here I will give the display flags. Let me just check background color red. This icon is coming. Okay, I will give the green. Now see, this icon is not coming in the center. For coming in the center, here I want to also mention the height of the icon is 40 pixel like this. Now here I will give the first of all I will give display flags. Now see, okay, and justify content center. And why these are happening, alignment item center like this, it will be coming in the center. Yeah, now this, and inside this home by default this unorderly has a padding, that's why this padding is coming. I want to remove this. Here I will go now unorderly, here I will give the padding will be 0. Now see, by default here padding is gone. And after that this, now I want to give the little bit space from the left and right, like here by default it will be coming, and that's why here I will in the top section I will give the nav, and here inside this I will give the padding. By default I will add 10 pixel, and here you can see by default here giving me the 10 pixel. Yeah, little bit more. Yeah, 15 is perfect, and this 15 is okay. And also I want to give the between the icon and this title, also I want to give the space. For that here I was use this anchor tag, and here I will add gap. Gap will be approximately 10 pixel. Now see, here by default this gap is coming, and let me, I think 15 pixel. Yeah, 15 pixel is perfect. And I will increase this size. Font size will be the approximately 20 pixel. For the text, for that for giving the text, here I will go below this, and I first of all I will go on the sidebar container. Inside now anchor tag, here I have a title class name. Here I will give the font size, it will be approximately 22 pixel. Now let me just check, 22 is more, I will give the 20. Yeah, 20 is perfect. And I think this font is also not okay. We will change this font. Let me just go here, Google font, and after this Google form, here I will choose, let me remove the before which I was uses, delete, and here I will use the pop-ins. Let me just select, and here I will use the first of all normal 200, and after that this 300 and 400. We also use the italic also, and this 500, and regular also italic, 600, 500, 700, and also sometime I want to more bold, that's why I was added all this which I require. And after that I will just copy this import one, and here let me just copy this, and after that I will go on the my app.css, or you can go on the index.css, you can add anywhere. Here I will add app.css, and here I will go in the top section, here I will paste this. Now see, this is I was added the our font, and after that I want to add one more things, this font family. Let me just copy this and go here in the body section, I will paste this. Now let me just check in my site, see our font will be look like this, and I think it will be not be exactly similar. We'll change this. Let me go back again, click on the font, and I think I want to use this. I think it will be little bit small, this font. I will give the 16 pixel. Yeah, I think it will be okay. And here I want to give the little bit more gap. For that, here I will give the 20 pixel, 30. Yeah, 30 is perfect. And let me just check. 30 is little more. I will give the 25. Yeah, 25 is perfect. And let me remove this background color where I was given. Here this background, here icon. Yeah, and after that I want to this let me remove also this sidebar, this here I will comment this, and this sidebar I want to make hover effect. Let me just copy this, and I want to first of all make active one. For that, here I will just go, and here I will give the active class is added by default in the use this now. Thus, this now link by default added if this route will be active. That's why I will use this now link. And if you want to check this, just right click here, go on the inspect section, and after that let me just drag and drop, and see by default here class will be added active like that. Let me just add some more link for display this. For that, just copy this one, and after that I will add next link will be the, let me just refer this, it will be the shorts. For that, here I will give the shorts, and this shorts icon is not available I think here. Then I can copy, right click here, go on the inspect, and for copying this short icon, here I will go expand this, and this svg, right click here, I will right click this and copy this copy element, and I want to convert this svg in the form of image, or I can directly paste inside here like this, but it will be taking so much code. That's why I will convert this image in the form of a in the form of a svg, sorry, this svg in the form of a image. Let me just do this. And for the, you want to also do this, for that here in the assist folder I will create one file. This will be the sorts dot svg, and after that here I will paste this, or like that. After that, using this, for that let me just show you this feature. And here I will go, and if I want to use here, first of all I want to import this, import sorts icon from I want to from the assist folder. First of all I want to go outside this folder, go on the assist, and here I will give the sorts dot svg, and here I will use img src, and inside this I will paste this. And first of all I will close this. Here I will give the sort icon, just copy this, and here I will paste. Here I will give the sorts, like that. Now let me just check. Here see, this image is not displaying. Okay, that's why we can do, I think this svg not supported here. Let me just try some other. For that just post this. I think this svg not supported. Let me just convert this svg in the form of image. Let me just go in the browser, and here type svg to png, and here this first link. After that click on the upload file, and here see YouTube clone, and inside this src assist we have this sort. Let me just click this. Yeah, now converted, and click on the download. After that I will go on the my folder in the download section, and here I will just copy this. After that I will go on my project folder, and here I will paste this. See this sort, and let me just change this name, sort. And now let me just close this file and close this website, and also this one. Now again I will go on the VS Code editor, and here I will change this extension in the form of a PNG. Now let me just check. Yeah, now see this sort is coming, and this image is very much big. For that I will do in the where in the sidebar. Here I was added the sidebar container now image, and here I will add padding is or I will give the width will be, let me just give the width will be 30 pixel, and height will be 30 pixel. Little bit more, 28, 28, 26, 26. Yeah, I think 26 is perfect. And one more things I was forgetting. This link was added. Now I want to checking this active one. For that here I will give the background color. Here I will give the F5, F6, F9, like that. Now let me just see this background color is coming, and when I click, see this active one background color is coming. And here I will add this one anchor tag. Here I want to add a little bit space from the top and bottom side. For that here I will give the padding from the top bottom 5 pixel, left right will be 10 pixel. Okay, it will be look like this. I think not good. 7, and here I will give the 0. Yeah, now I think it will be okay. And here I will give the 5, then 5, 4, Yeah, 4 is perfect, and after that I will give the border radius 5 pixel like that. And here I will give the this active one here display the border. Here I will give the border left 2 pixels solid red. Here I was given see it will display every year, but here I will give one more things. Here when this will be active, for that here I will increase this 3 pixel. When this will be active, then this will be display. For that here I by default I will give the transparent color. And after that when this will be active, here I will give the border color red. Now see it will be active, that's why here border color is coming. See, now this will be active. And one more things I want to add hover effect. And for the hovering effect I want to add in the this anchor tag. Let me just copy this one, and here I will go below this. I will give the hover, and here I will give the background like that. Now let me just see. Yeah, see only background color, not this active one. Yeah, like that it will be perfectly fine. And now I will add a little bit more link. For that, let me just add this, and let me just close this file. And here I will go, and after that I want to go on the sidebar.js. Here let me just copy this, and below this I want to add now next one will be the subscription. And where is subscription page? Let me just check. Yeah, here I will give the subscriptions, and here I want to change this subscription icon also. Let me just check. Okay, it will be the video player. Here I will give the video like that, or I will give the player video like that. We have something, or I will give the audio. Let me just check. Playlist like that, something available. If we type subscription, okay, I think this will be better. Just click here, and after that I will go on here, and here I will give the icon. Let me just change this. Instead of image, here I will give the icon, and let me just import this icon. Import this icon md outline subscription from react icon slash md. And let me just check. Yeah, this will be coming. And let me just check something other is available. Maybe I think this will be looking much more better as compared to this one. And I think just copy this one, or something other is available. I think not. Then I want to little bit font size. I want to small all this icon. Here I will go, and where I was given the icon, here I was given the font size will be 25. Here I will give the 20. Yeah, 20 will be, I think 22 is perfect. And this text size also I want to give the 15. Yeah, 15 is perfect, and in between the gap I was given more, I will give the 20. Yeah, it will be now perfect. And this short icon I was given 20 pixel. Here I will give the 20 pixel. Okay, 22, 22, 3. Yeah, now it will be perfect. And here this short, instead of short I want to give the subscription. Here I will change this subscriptions. Yeah, like that. And when I was click okay, this subscription, I think I was mistake something. Go on the main.jsx, and here I was given subscription. Just copy this, go on the sidebar.jsx. Here I will paste this, and let me just go back. And when I was click okay, now this subscription is short home. And next I will add, let me just copy this, and here I will add next page will be the our like page. Here I will give the likes, and for the likes I want to add icon. Here see likes icon will be the where is likes, this thumb. Here I will type like, and this icon I think we want to choose this one. Just copy click on here, or some other icon may be available. Think not, then okay, go here, and here I will paste this icon. And this is a bi like, I want to import this, import bi like from react icon slash bi. And here I want to check, and I was not closes, it will be done. Refresh this page. Okay, this like is now coming, and here I want to change this title likes. After this likes I want to add history. For that, let me just copy this. Here I will go, here I will give the history, and here history. For that, here I want to also change the title, and here when I was click history, okay, I think I was mistake, let me just check. Just copy this, and after that I go sidebar, and here okay, I was mistake this, that's why. Click here, okay, history page will be open. Like that is happening. And I want to give the history icon. Let me just check. It will be like a clock. Here I will give the clock. Which type of a? I think this type. Yeah, just copy, and here I will give this. Here I will paste, and after that here I will import from react icons slash rx, and check here. First of all, go back, refresh this page, and yeah, this icon is coming, and this history is also perfect. And when this will be active, see this font, this fonts will be bold as compared to this one. For that I was not to include. Let me just go, and when this will be active, I will give the font weight will be 550, 500. Yeah, 500 I think perfect. Little bit bold. Yeah. Now next link I want to add, and next will be the which one? I was added all this, and next will be the watch page. Here I was not create a watch page. Let me just create this watch.js jsx, and this page will be one not any link. That's why I was not given, and all things are done. And here below this I want to add the logout button, because here I was given the this sign in button, and also I want to add one more logout, and for that here I will add below this. For that I will go here sidebar.jsx, and outside this now tag, here I will create div, or instead of div I will use the button. Here I will give the log out like that, and see here display the logout. Here I will give the class name log out, and just copy this class name logout btn, like that I was given. Just copy this, go on the here sidebar.css, and here I will give the, first of all I will give the width will be 100%. Now see it will be taking full width, and here I will give the height will be 30 pixel, and little bit more 35, and 40. Yeah, 40 is perfect. And after that I will give margin from the top side will be auto. Okay, why this are margin is not coming? Here margin is not coming, why? And why this margin is not coming? Let me just go here sidebar. Here I will give the height will be 100%, and now height margin is top side is not coming. Then instead of using like that, I will give the here position. Just give the position relative, and after that here I will go again. Here I will give the position absolute, and here I will give the position absolute. After that here I will give the bottom 0. Now see it will be here coming this bottom side, and after that here bottom I will add one more like this icon and logout like this part. For that, and first of all I want to give the border none, and background color none, and test. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, everything is gone, and only background color is remaining, no problem. And here I will give the test alignment left. Yeah, and now after that here I will add all this icon. For that here I will go and just copy this part, like this types of I want to add. Just copy this one. Here I will go, instead of login let's press here. Here I will paste this, and here I will give logout log out. Now let me just check. Okay, it will display here, and I was already in the css. Here I will give the display flags and alignment item center, and I was not given the font size. Let me just give this. Font size will be the 20 pixel, and this icon I want to change log out. Let me just give the uh, log out, and I think I want to use which icon. Let's use this one. And after that, here go sidebar.css. Here I will paste this and go on the top section. Here I will give the import, paste this here from react icon slash fi, and here I will check. Okay, refresh this page. Now see, here icon is displaying, and I want to give the same as I was given the here. For that, I will just go on the css section, and inside the logout, here I will give the logout dot icon, and inside this I will give the font size will be approximately uh, font size 20 pixel, like that, and this will be the icon, and by default this icon size will be the 14 pixel. Let me just check, little bit more, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 is perfect. And after that I will give the font weight will be bold, 550. Yeah, bold, and from the left and right side both side gap. For that, here I will add padding, and 5 3 pixel from top bottom, 10 pixel from left and right. I think I want to give more. Here I will give the 20, little bit more, 30. 30 is perfect, and in between them I want to give the gap. For that, here I will use the gap will be the approximately 15 pixel. mm, and this icon I will give the its width will be 40 pixel, 40, and height also 40, and display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and yeah, and this will be I was given this padding will be 20. Yeah, 20 is perfect, and here I will give the this will be the red color. Instead of like that, I will give the background red, and text color will be the white. Yeah, like that, and I was given that this font will be bold. Here I will give the 500. Yeah, 500. It's okay. Yeah, 500 is okay properly, no problem. And I think this color is very much bright, that's why I will go little bit less. Yeah, I think this will be perfect, and when I use hover, then this color will change. For that, below this I will add logout button dot hover, and here I will paste this. Yeah, now see this color is changing, and our mouse cursor also, cursor pointer, like that it will be happening. See, our this sidebar will be done. Now in the next video we going to make our this logout functionality. When I was click, then see currently I was login, see, and when I was click on the logout, then our user will be logout, and also like that we make. And today video, thank you for the watching this video. We have completed this sidebar, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please like this, subscribe the channel, and how this video is going on, let me just comment in down. Thank you so much for watching this video.